Welcome to the tutorial. This video is going to be all about the image tag. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with bracket, image, img, and close the bracket. We actually can add a closing tag, but it's insignificant. So now we're going to add a source, S or C equal. And here I have an image, Real Madrid logo in the same folder as the HTML file. So Real Madrid _ Madrid.png. You always need to add the format. Now let's check this in the browser. Here we have our logo. Now we're gonna add another attribute. This attribute called alternative. So alt equal quotes. This attribute adds a description for the image in case the image is not loading because of a server problem or computer problem or the internet connection. So we're gonna add Real Madrid logo. Now let's try something else. Let's try to copy this tag. Let's see how it's gonna show in the browser. Here we have the two images next to each other, and images always gonna be next to each other as long as there is a space. Now let's say you want the second image to be in the next line. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the break tag, which is br. It also doesn't have a closing tag, so let's check the browser. And here you can see the second image went to the second line. Now let's add some other attributes. You can add the height attributes. Let's make it 300 pixels. You can also add the width attribute for the width, and let's make it 400 pixels. Now let's check the browser. Here we see that our image just changed its size. One more thing, we can actually add an image from the internet, so using a link. So let's go to the browser. We have here, let's start Real Madrid images. Let's pick an image, open image new tab. We have our picture here, copy the link, and let's go back to let's delete this, and let's put our link. Now let's check the browser. Here you can see that the image changed to our link. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.